Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I want to talk to you guys about the campaign budget optimization feature and how it can help you reduce your cost and improve your results. Alright you guys, so here we are. I'm going to show you exactly how the campaign budget optimization feature works. And so inside of your ads manager, the very first thing that you're going to do where you're going to come across the campaign budget optimization feature is you're going to go ahead and create a new ad. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit create, and then you're going to select your objective that you're going to be using for this campaign. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit and select messages here. And down below, normally it's sometimes it's defaulted on, sometimes it's not, but down below is where you're going to see the campaign budget optimization feature. All right, and so we're going to go ahead and turn this one on, and or actually we're going to turn this one off, because I'm going to show you the differences between campaigns that are running without the campaign budget optimization feature and campaigns that are running without. Okay, so basically what we're doing here, just to give you a brief explanation of how it works, basically what we're doing is we're telling Facebook to take, let's say for example, I have a daily budget of $10, and we're going to be telling Facebook to take these $10 and split that amongst all of our different audiences. Let's say, for example, you want to target or test 5 different audiences. Okay, maybe you want to test like gender, you want to test some age ranges, maybe you want to test some different interests, etc. Right? So then let's say we have 5. Facebook is then going to take these $10 and split it amongst all these 5 different audiences, and it's going to give you that feedback, and then you're going to be able to you're going to find out which audiences are going to perform the best and give you the best results, right? And so then what you'll be able to do after that is you'll be able to turn off the ones that are just giving you ridiculous results that don't make any sense, and leave on the ones that are giving you the best results. Okay, now I want to caution you guys when you're going to be deciding whether or not you're going to be leaving any ads on or any ad sets on. Okay, you want to take into consideration that it's not all about just your cost per lead or your cost per message or anything like that, right? Sometimes you may be willing to pay $2 versus 20 cents or 30 cents per message or per lead, depending on that quality of that lead, right? Let's say you're testing at the age range of 18 to 25 versus the age range of 40 to 50. Maybe the 40 to 50 is giving you twice the cost per lead versus the 18 to 25, but you're finding that the 40 to 50 people are more responsive. Maybe they are actually committing to coming in. They're more committed to take you up on whatever it is that your offer is, right? And so you want to take that into consideration when you're deciding which ad sets or ads to turn on or off, right? And so basically that's what it's doing, okay, with the campaign budget optimization feature on. And I'm going to show you exactly what that may look like. So with it on, I'm going to show you the difference between on and off. Okay, so in this campaign here, we're running a video campaign, and I'm testing 5 different audiences. Okay, so I do have the campaign budget optimization feature on, and in this one here, for example, we are spending $5 a day. So that's basically it's $5 a day. So I'm telling Facebook, hey, take these $5, Facebook, and I want you to test this audience. I want you to test this audience. I want you to test this audience. I have 3 retargeting audiences and then 2 cold audiences. Okay, so take these $5 a day and give me the best results possible with these 5 different audiences. Okay, these are primary audiences that we use regularly, so I don't ever turn on and off any of these. I want them all to run, because again, we nurture these audiences quite a bit. So but that's at the end of the day, Facebook is then spending those $5 efficiently across these 5 different audiences. All right, so I'm going to show you an example of completely different type of ad, what that may look like. Okay, so in this campaign here, I don't have the campaign budget optimization feature on, because in this case I'm getting really great results for both audiences. And I'm running my budget on the ad set level in this type of campaign right here. And so here I'm targeting a completely open targeting, just an 8-mile radius. And then I have over here, this campaign, here is targeting beauty interests. Okay. And I'm getting really great results for both of these. I mean, they're right about the same. I'm getting a little bit more volume down here in this one, maybe because it's a bigger audience, but I'm getting great results for each one of these. Okay, so I'm running my budget on the ad set level on this one, with no campaign budget optimization feature on. All right, so if you're trying to figure out when to use the campaign budget optimization feature, I would, if you're going to be testing more than 3 or more audiences, I would definitely have that campaign budget optimization feature on. I don't have any set rules of when I don't use it. I kind of just play that by ear, but again, and it always depends on your budget as well. But if you're going to be spending a bigger budget and you have multiple different audiences, you want to spend your money as efficient as possible, okay? And so in that case, again, if you have a big budget, if you're spending a lot of money, or if you have multiple audiences, kind of my basic ground rules, if I have 3 or more audiences, I will use the campaign budget optimization feature for that, okay? And and also too, if I'm trying to figure out which audiences are going to be performing the best, I'll have that campaign budget optimization feature on. If there's already an audience that I for sure want my entire $5 to be spent on that audience, maybe it's a retargeting audience, I want all of my $5 to be spent on that audience, then I won't use the campaign budget optimization feature, right? Because and then if I do have it on, then maybe it's not going to spend that much money in a retargeting ad set versus a cold audience. It might, in that case, I can definitely foresee it spending more money on the cold audience versus the retargeting audience, because based off of the size of the audiences in that case. Okay, so maybe use that as another ground rule is, do you for sure want your entire budget being spent on that audience regardless of the performance, right? A retargeting audience, you may not really care a whole lot about performance and cost per lead or anything like that, because that's a retargeting audience that's giving you some brand awareness and some branding on that audience, and you for sure want to spend that entire budget on that audience. All right, you guys, so there it is. That is the campaign budget optimization feature. There really isn't a whole lot to it. It's not that complicated. It's basically taking your budget, Facebook taking your budget and spending it at the campaign level, and then splitting it up amongst all of your different audiences and testing those audiences to see which ones are going to perform the best and give you the best results. All right, so that wraps it up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.